You spoke about the ratios. And yes, ideally those ratios are what are desirable. We have never had a 1-in-1 or a 1-in-2 ever in Jamaica at any of these neonatal dependency units. Never had. That is just an ideal, that's an aspirational number we would like to work towards. But we have never had those numbers ever under any administration. It is a dereliction of your responsibility as custodian of the health and welfare of this country by not telling the country earlier. And further, Minister, you said that there were 7 babies who died from Klebsiella. You forgot to tell the Parliament that 2 more died from another type of bacterial infection in July, bringing that number to 9. The point is, Minister, we had this at Victoria Jubilee in July. We had 9 persons dying. Minister said he heard towards the end of August. The infant mortality rate in Jamaica is about 10 to 11%. We know that. And children will die from different causes. But in this instance, Minister, in this instance, you deprived by not indicating to the people, the mothers who were affected, what was happening there. The country is grieving, Minister, and the mothers are grieving. Your colleagues are grieving because there's collective responsibility in the cabinet. And the boss was not told.